Hello and welcome to Arkiteasy. I often hear that, Revit has a lot of limitations, that you cannot do this or this, and yeah, it has a sense. But this is a quite simple example what I'm going to show you today, but I didn't find it on YouTube at all. Therefore, I decided to uncover this and to show you how you can create this gradient wall in Revit, and I will show you this as an interior design tip, but you can take this method and apply it to any other example, so it's really up to you. I will be using Revit 2024. You can take any of the Revit you have installed on your computer. So let's just move there, and I hope that you're going to enjoy with this one. I'm using new metric template and I'm going to create a couple of walls. And I will create one floor. We'll make a 3D view and we'll actually turn off annotation categories. And let's just make this to be up to the second level. Oh, let me just adjust the levels if it's needed. This could be 3 meters. 3.3 actually, because we are going to use the floor which is 300, and I'm going to copy this one to the second level. So what's important that we know that the height of our wall is 3 meters. Let's make a camera view. Okay, this looks fine. So now I'm going to move this to realistic, and I'm going to select our floors. Let's see which material they have. We'll add something white if we have. And then I'm going to manage, and I'm going to create new material. Now, when I'm in material editor, I will just go here and then we'll pick gradient, and then we'll click on this first arrow here and we'll pick the first color. Let's see, it should be this red one. Then we'll pick the middle one and we'll pick the second color, and then the third one. It could be white. We can keep it white. We'll click OK. And what I'm going to do is to select one of those walls, and I will go to edit and we'll add material. So you see that we got this gradient, but it's not done yet. So what we have to do is to go to material editor again, and then I'm going to click here on the gradient. We'll go down, we'll increase the scale to the 3 meters because the height of the wall is 3 meters. And I will click done, we'll click apply. So you see that the scale of gradient increased, but we have to do one more thing, and it's rotation. So I will go here to the rotation, to the position, and we'll add 90 degrees. So you see how it looks. If you would like to make it to have the red color, let's say at the bottom, you can anytime click here, and then you can just go here to invert gradient. And let's say that I would like to make one more material. I will create a new one, and here for the color I will pick this red color. And if I just increase reflectivity a little bit, something like this, and let's call it. So if I take this material and take paint and paint this wall, you see that our space look more spacey. So it was like very quick and simple, and of course you can play this way and assign more textures and more parameters to the materials. I really hope that this simple trick is going to help you. If so, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching.